What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, what I'm going to be showing you guys is another neon custom. Today we're going to be working on this right here. This right here. This beat up ass Huarache mid. Used to be all white. I'm talking about light white. Look at it now. Matter of fact, I'm gonna check it off the tripod just to give you guys a better view of what it looks like. Hold on. Look at how beat up this thing is, guys. Look at it. It's so beat up. Oh my god. It's not even funny how beat up this thing is, man. I used to work in these. When I was working at Domino's, these are the only shoes I had that were comfortable enough for me to do a whole day's worth of work in. So these are what I used. Now, I'm gonna put this back on the tripod and give you guys some more details on why these shoes are so beat up. That's it. Okay. Alright, you guys, like I said, I used to work at Domino's. I was a pizza delivery guy, and down here in the CE where I work at, in the CBD, the Central Business District, we ride bikes. We didn't deliver in cars. We had basket bikes, or like the cruisers, the big ass cruiser bikes, and we used to put the pieces on the back, and we used to pedal your bike. We used to pedal your pizza to you. So that's why these shoes are so beat up. Now, another part of these shoes being so beat up is that all of this got messed up. And my dumb ass, before I knew anything about customized shoes, this is what? Early 2017. I didn't get into customized shoes till mid 2017. So I want to say in about April I started getting into customized shoes, so I learned pretty fast. But before then, I was doing stupid shit like what I'm about to tell you. I put spray paint on all of this, on this part of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show you guys what we're about to change it into. Yep, that's right, you guys. We're doing another neon custom. Look at how bright that shit is. You can't even like look at it. That is a flaming orange neon. So we're gonna be doing a flaming orange neon black sock liner, well, sock material. You know, we're gonna paint the sock material black. The logo is obviously gonna be flaming orange. The sides are gonna be flaming orange, and we're gonna splat some flaming orange on the midsole. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're about to get into this. I'm not gonna keep you guys for too much longer. Let's get crazy.
Hippie Beats.
Alright guys, I'm about to start the process by deglazing the shoe with Angelus Leather Preparer and Deglazer. You're going to take that in the cotton round, and you're going to softly move this around the shoe because you don't want to eat through the material of the shoe, you feel me?
Hippie Beats.
Alright guys, we're going to prepare the mixture for the sock-like material of the Huarache, which is going to be flat black and GAT 900. You want to mix a 50-50 ratio of this stuff. You don't have to measure it exact, but you do want to make sure you're getting a 50-50 ratio. That is for the best outcome, you guys. Oh yeah, you guys, JC is a medium that goes in the paint to help keep things like sock liners or sock-like material still soft while using the paint. Okay, now that you're done mixing your mixture, you're going to begin to paint the Huarache, that sock-like, meshy-like material that's really difficult to work with. The GAC and the flat black should work perfectly fine. Alright guys, remember to take your time while painting the shoe, man. It's It's really difficult to work with this stuff, and it is really wet, so it does drip on stuff and all that stuff like that. But if you don't dip your paint that much, don't try to saturate it too badly. Just take your time, get it to those cracks and crevices so you can come out with a smooth, clean finish.
Hippie Beats.
Alright, you guys, so remember I told y'all I sprayed spray paint on the front of the shoe. So that's stopping the paint from going through here. But we're gonna take care of that later. Other than that, you guys, gonna dry this thing. It's a pretty good coat. I gotta dry it so I can get in between the cracks and crevices of all the spots. And I can't get too wide too wet because I can't, pick up the shoe. So it's a couple of parts that I gotta work on and get in between some cracks and crevices. But other than that though, it's looking good so far, as you guys can see.
Hippie Beats. Hippie Beats.
For the most part, everything is blacked out. Everything seems even. The coats look even. That's what it looks like from a distance. Now what we gotta do is get this part. The DAC did not see through because, like I told you guys, I spray paint on the front of this shoe. So I'm gonna show you guys what to do about that. Alright, you guys, this next step is for the mist. So we're going to be mixing 2 hard with flat white. That's going to give us the super clean look that we're looking for. We're also going to paint a light coat on the uppers just to make sure that paint sticks.
Hippie Beats. Hippie Beats.
Alright, you guys, it's time for the final step. It's time to get paint with that neon flaming orange. You know what I'm saying? You're going to do about 5 to 6 coats of this neon coat. That way you have a strong coating. And then you're going to go over it with the matte finisher and then you're gonna spray it down with your stain and water repellent. Make sure you follow these steps, guys. 5 to 6 coats, matte finisher, and then spray it down with your stain and water repellent. This is gonna make sure that your custom lasts. Okay, do not skip those steps. As you can see, the custom came out super sick, super dope. These things was super beat up, soles was super yellow, everything was like super beat up. And we came back and did like, we made these things icy again. I wouldn't say icy because these things are fucking hot. These things are lit. Look at these things, man. Look at that flaming orange. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this took about a week because I was really busy, just doing other life stuff, paying bills and stuff like that. If I wasn't doing all of that stuff, it probably would have took me about 2 days. You know what I'm saying? As always, man, if you want me to do a pair of shoes for you, hit me in my DMs and my social medias down below. They're gonna be in the description. All of that, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter. You know what I'm saying? All that stuff is gonna be down below. You know what I'm saying? Hit me up. I have my prices already. They do vary from custom to custom. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like this video. That lets me know that you guys like seeing me do customs. Check out all my other videos as well. I got vlogs, I got gaming videos, I got all kinds of stuff on the channel, man. Here, we're not just a one-trick pony. I want to give you guys the most entertainment that I possibly can every time I get on the camera, or every time I put my phone in my hand and go somewhere, or do a vlog, or do pranks, or whatever it is that I'm doing at that moment. So don't think of this channel as just a one-way channel. We do everything here. We're trying to create entertainment. We're trying to teach people. We're trying to do all kinds of stuff here. But yeah, nonetheless, man, hit me up if you want a custom paintings as well. Anything like that custom, I do all of that stuff. Social medias are down below. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell, you know what I'm saying, so you get them notifications when you know when another video is coming out. But yeah, other than that, man, super sick, super dope. I feel like I did my fucking thing on these. And yeah, man, y'all stay blessed, stay warm, because I know it's still cold out there. And above all else, stay rare. Peace.
Hippie Beats.